Hi guys, and welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures. We're in the Peak District, doing a nice little walk today. Why don't you come and join us?
That's Egton Hill, where the Romans, what did they do for us? But they mined lead in Egton Hill.
Oh, cool.
There's the waterways.
It's a Leek Manifold Light Railway, which is a narrow gauge railway, which was opened in the late 19th century, I believe. Ran from Egton, what's it called, Egton? Anyway, near Egton at that end, to Leek that end. And it was used by passengers for coming out the weekends like we're doing, and used for transporting animals and freight. But it closed in, I think, mid-1930s, I believe.
Cool.
And they took the track bed and put tarmac on it. It's been a road and footpath ever since.
There's quite a few footpaths that used to be railways, isn't there?
They've closed a lot of railways down in this country.
Yes, sadly.
Lots. This wasn't beaching. This was 30 years before beaching. Yeah. But it was a narrow gauge railway and it wasn't very profitable. So losing money, closed it down.
We were walking in Sudbury.
That's been closed down as well.
A few weeks ago, and but that was a beach, and
that was 1960s.
Yeah. That was quite cool as well.
But this one would have been an ideal tourist railway.
So this is wild garlic. What you do, if you're in doubt, you get the leaf, which is a nice big broad leaf, straight veins, and give it a rub, and it stinks like the freshest of garlics.
So Beeston.
Beeston, as in Nottingham Beeston.
Beeston Tor.
So that's the walk, guys. We're all considerably sunburnt and knackered from the hills. I want to thank you for joining us on this one. Thoughts on the walk?
Yeah, it was nice. It was nice to do some hills actually, because obviously in Suffolk it's pretty flat, so it was a bit more of a challenge than what we usually do, which I quite like. So I enjoyed it. So if you like the video, why not like in the little thumbs up below. You can also subscribe, that would be lovely. You get to hit the little bell and you get notifications about when we've got new videos out. And why not leave a comment? Everything helps the channel. So well, until next time, I guess.
Yep. We'll see you on the next one, guys.
See you on the next one.
Bye.